In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out what Wix template a website is using. This is a simple and straightforward process that can be incredibly useful if you're looking to build a website of your own and stumble upon one that completely captures the style and functionality you're aiming for. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to go to Wix.com. Once you're on the website, the goal is to copy the URL of the Wix site whose template you're curious about. Make sure you have the full URL, as that's key for the identification process. This essentially means that you should visit the site directly and make sure the address is correctly copied in its entirety from your browser's address bar. Next, navigate over to a site called GoTo, which is a dedicated theme detector. This is a nifty tool specifically designed to analyze websites and determine the design template they're using. Open your browser and simply search for GoTo or head directly to their website. GoTo is particularly user-friendly and doesn't require any lengthy signups or installations. When you're on the GoTo website, you'll see a search bar inviting you to paste the URL you've copied. Carefully, paste your copied URL into this space and double-check that it's exactly as you copied it, just to ensure there are no errors that could lead to a failed detection. Now comes the moment of truth. Clicking on Detect. This is the final step to uncovering the template details. When you click this button, GoTo gets to work, analyzing the structure and elements of the website based on the URL you've provided. It's a quick process, but it's always good to give it a couple of moments to work thoroughly. Once it's done processing, you'll be presented with all sorts of useful information about the website. This includes not just the template being used, but potentially other components like plugins or additional tools that the site might be relying on. It's a wealth of information that gives you a deep insight into what makes the site tick. And there you have it. Finding out what Wix template a site is using is really as simple as that. A few clicks, a bit of patience, and you've got the data you need. This method is perfect if you're looking to recreate or draw inspiration from a site you admire. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to leave your thoughts or any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and tutorials like this one.